In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send personalized mass email with Getresponse. We'll walk through the entire process from creating your newsletter, to adding personalization, to sending it out to your full list so you can follow along step by step. First, log in to your Getresponse account. Once you're on the main dashboard, look for the menu and go to Tools, then choose Email Marketing. This is where you manage your newsletters and campaigns. On this page, click on Create Newsletter. Getresponse may sometimes call this a newsletter or a message, but it's the same thing. This is the email you're going to send to your subscribers. Next, you'll be asked to select your list and enter a subject line. Choose the list that contains the contacts you want to email, then type in a clear, compelling subject line. Don't worry, we're going to personalize it in a moment, but start with something that explains what your email is about. To add personalization to the subject line, look for the small personalization icon on the right side of the subject field. It usually looks like a little silhouette. Click that icon and select First Name. Getresponse will automatically insert a placeholder for the subscriber's first name, so each person will see their own name in the subject when they receive the email. This can really boost open rates because it feels more personal. Now, click on Design Message to move into the email editor. Here you can pick a template that matches your brand or the type of message you're sending. Once the template loads on the canvas, find any text block where you want to greet your subscriber or refer to them by name. Click inside that text block so the editing toolbar appears. On that floating toolbar, click the same personalization icon and choose First Name again. You'll see something like a placeholder appear in the text. When the email goes out, that placeholder will be replaced with each subscriber's actual first name. A simple example would be starting your email with Hi, followed by that first name tag. When your design and content look good, click. Next to go to the summary page. Under Recipients, click Add Recipients and choose your entire list or the specific list you selected earlier. This tells Getresponse who should receive the newsletter. Finally, decide when to send. You can choose Send Immediately if you're ready to go right now, or select Schedule to pick a future date and time. Once you confirm, Getresponse will send that personalized email to everyone on your chosen list.